Vinyl plank flooring offers durability and style, but proper maintenance is key to keeping it looking its best. If you are asking, how do I clean vinyl plank flooring correctly? You've come to the right place. Today on eufy Tutorials, we are diving deep into the specifics. We will cover the types of vinyl, the essential tools you need, a detailed 7-step cleaning process, and the common mistakes you must avoid. First, what exactly is vinyl plank flooring? It's a synthetic option that mimics hardwood or stone. It features a protective wear layer that resists scratches and moisture, making it perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. But not all vinyl is the same. You might have luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, which is thicker and more realistic, standard vinyl plank, click lock, which snaps together, or glue down, which uses adhesive. Knowing if your floor is waterproof or just water-resistant is crucial, as water-resistant types need extra care with moisture. Before you start, grab the right gear. Here is your checklist. Number 1, a broom or vacuum, ideally with a soft brush attachment. Number 2, a microfiber mop. This is key because it captures dirt without leaving lint. Number 3, pH neutral cleaner. Use a mild soap or specific vinyl cleaner. Number 4, a bucket for mixing your solution. Number 5, a soft sponge for spot cleaning stubborn stains. And number 6, towels to dry the floor immediately after. Now, let's walk through the 7-step process to clean effectively and safely. Step 1, sweep or vacuum. Remove loose dirt first. Grit can scratch the floor if you mop over it. Step 2, mix your solution. Combine warm water with a mild soap or vinyl cleaner. For a natural option, you can use vinegar diluted with water. That's 1 part vinegar to 10 parts water. Step 3, mop the floor. Dip your microfiber mop and wring it out thoroughly. Mop in a figure 8 motion or along the length of the planks. Step 4, spot clean. For stubborn stains, use a soft brush. Avoid abrasive scrubbers. Step 5, deep cleaning. Periodically focus on high traffic areas like entryways. Step 6, rinse. Go over the floor again with clean water to remove any soap residue. Step 7, dry. Finally, dry the floor thoroughly with a towel to prevent water spots and slips. For busy households, doing this manually every week is a lot of work. This is where robot vacuums offer a huge advantage. They provide consistent maintenance, smart navigation to avoid scratches, and some even have mopping capabilities. We recommend 2 specific models for vinyl plank flooring. First, the eufy S1 Pro. Vinyl flooring demands careful moisture control. The S1 Pro excels here. Its hydrojet system continuously cleans the roller mop with fresh water while scraping off dirt. Unlike steam mops, which risk warping vinyl, the S1 Pro delivers precise water control for a streak-free finish without puddles. Plus, its self-cleaning station dries the mop after use to prevent mold. Second, the eufy X10 Pro Omni. If you need power, the X10 Pro Omni boasts 8,000 pascals of suction to capture dust and pet hair in one pass. Its dual rotating mops apply adaptive pressure to remove stubborn stains, and its all-in-one station washes and dries the mops at 45 degrees Celsius, keeping your floors pristine and fresh. To protect your investment, avoid these common mistakes. No steam mops. The heat can penetrate seams and cause warping. No harsh chemicals. Avoid ammonia, bleach, or wax polish. They can dull the finish. Avoid excessive water. Even if it says waterproof, standing water can seep into seams. Always wring out your mop. Mastering how to clean vinyl plank flooring is vital for preserving its beauty. Whether you use the manual method or invest in a eufy robot vacuum, consistent care is the key. For more details on the S1 Pro and X10 Pro Omni, check the links in the description. This is eufy Tutorials. Thanks for watching.